Hi everyone, today we'll be going through inventory receipt functions. So first, after we log into Boss Portal, we come to inventory section and we click onto inventory receipt. So inventory receipt function is for users to perform receiving for any product without going through purchase order. So we click onto plus record to initiate an inventory receipt. We select a vendor. Let's see this vendor, and you can key in any remark if you have any remark to key in, and we click on to plus icon to add product. So we search for the product. Let's say I choose this product, this one, and the quantity that I'll be receiving is, let's say, 90 pieces, and also have to key in the purchase price or inventory cost. So let's say is 30, and have to choose a storage location. Let's say I'll be choosing main, and you may save and add the product into goods received order. Okay, so I click save again to complete the goods received. So the record has been created successfully. So if, let's say, I go to my store, I go to menu, I go to F&B, my Italianese. Okay, you will see there is no stocks showing in my product. That is because you have to make sure under your product management, your product, you look through the item you create earlier. You have to make sure that your stock control have to click onto yes, and when you save it and you refresh, then only the stock will show on the web store whether how many stock is available for your customer to purchase. So this is how we use the inventory receipt functions. Thank you.